This is the platform that's going to replace Manychat, and this is a quick video on how you're going to use it. On the left side, you can see there's a bunch of features, and I'm going to go over all of them. So in the dashboard, this is where you're going to see every piece of data about your business, the conversion rate, the opportunity status, how your funnel's doing, everything as such. And there's just so much information that goes here. It's just like all in one together. And then in the next one, we have conversations. So this is where you're going to have a master inbox. So you can link all of your social medias together, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, everything. And then every message that you have on each one of those platforms comes all together and actually adds up in here. So it's just like a master inbox. It's really cool. And then we have calendars. This is where you're going to schedule appointments, and you can actually make different calendars for different things. It depends on what you're doing. It depends on what you're doing, whether it's meetings or like maybe like a book club or a sales call, something like that. You can just tailor it to whatever you want. Then we have contacts. Now this is where it gets kind of cool. This is where all the emails that you collect from, whether it's like a newsletter or like a form or a quiz that you uploaded on your website, this is where all their contacts come in. You can add tags to them. It's pretty cool. And then you have bulk actions. You can add like different tags and everything. It's actually pretty cool, and it's really organized once you get to use it. Opportunities, this is where you manage your pipeline, and this is where you see who's at what part of your funnel, whether they're a new lead or whether they've been with you, like with your company for however X months. This is where they're going to pop up. Payments, this is where you're going to manage the payments, of course, and your products and the pricing, all of that stuff, the coupons. Speaking of coupons, I'm giving you a 7-day free trial if you just click the link in the description or click the link underneath the video, depending on where you're watching. And in those 7 days, you get to learn so much. And if you need any help, you can just DM me or reach out to me and I'll definitely help you out. Then marketing, this is going to be your social planner. You can basically post everywhere at once using the social planner, and then email campaigns and SMS campaigns. You can do that from here as well. Automation, this is going to be where the workflow is. Now, if you're watching this video specifically on how to replace Manychat, this is where it's going to be. So you basically click automation, you click create workflow, and then this is where it's going to be. So you can do Facebook comment automation. It's just a simple one, the simple version. But if you want to do crazier, like more advanced stuff, like book calls and stuff, then you could do Facebook comments plus workflow AI. And then this is where it's going to get pretty interesting. Sites, you can actually create your own website and your own funnel. For websites, there's just so many templates. You can do so many things with this. You can offer these services to other businesses. Like, it's not just your business, but you can offer it to other businesses and have it in your account. So you're basically controlling it. And if you want to give them their own account, well, you can do that too. And then we have them for different niches, whether you're a barber, whether it's for a church, whether it's for a restaurant, a chiropractor. There's so many different niches that we offer templates for. Membership, this is if you have like a community. This is for like an online community, or if you're going to give courses out. It's like an alternative to school or Discord. This would be your alternative right here. Reputation, this is for like reviews on Google, basically. Or it doesn't have to be Google. It doesn't have to be Google, but it's just like your reviews, like how your reputation is going, 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, all that type of stuff. Reporting, this is where all your analytics are going to be, whether it's for Google ads, Facebook ads, appointment bookings, on all of that. All of that information is going to be right here. App Marketplace, this is similar to like plugins that you'd see in like WordPress, for example. There's like a bunch of different plugins that you could use for this software right here. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole software. It's literally all in one platform. It's perfect for any business, any niche. And so I recommend you start the free 7-day trial. I already have a few people trying it out and they actually do like it. So I recommend you definitely do try it out. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you need any help setting this up or signing in, just DM me, send me a message, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.